Clawdbot just dropped a massive update. This thing runs on your phone like a personal assistant. It reads your emails, books flights, and even builds its own tools. Forget Siri, this is what AI should have been from day one. Let me show you why everyone's losing their minds over this. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Alright, if you've been waiting for an AI assistant that actually does stuff, this is it. Clawdbot just got a huge update in January 2026. And I'm not talking about some chatbot that answers questions. I'm talking about an AI that runs on your computer, connects to WhatsApp and Telegram, controls your browser, and remembers everything you tell it. This is the kind of AI that replaces a virtual assistant, and it's completely open source. You don't need to pay monthly fees, you run it yourself. Let me break down what makes this thing so crazy. First, it's proactive. Most AI tools sit there and wait for you to ask questions. Clawdbot sends you morning briefings. It checks your calendar, your emails, and gives you a summary before you even ask. You can set up cron jobs so it does tasks on a schedule. Like every Monday at 9 AM, it could pull a report from your analytics and send it to your Slack. Or every morning it checks your inbox and flags urgent messages. This is automation at a whole new level. Second, it has memory, real memory. Everything you talk about gets stored in local markdown files. And the new update added vector search. That means that you can ask it something like, what did we talk about last month for the AI Profit Boardroom landing page project? And it will pull up the exact conversation. No scrolling through chat history. It just knows. This is huge for anyone running a business. You don't have to repeat yourself. The AI remembers your preferences, your goals, your projects. It's like having a team member who never forgets anything. Third, it works across multiple channels. You can talk to it on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, even iMessage. So if you're out and you need something done, just send a message. It'll handle it. For example, you're driving and you remember you need to post on LinkedIn. You send a voice message to Clawdbot on WhatsApp, it drafts the post, schedules it, and confirms with you, all from your phone. No laptop needed. Fourth, it has skills. And I mean real skills. Browser automation, it can open a website, fill out forms, and submit them file access. It can read and edit documents on your computer. Shell commands, it can run scripts and automate workflows. And here's where it gets wild. Clawdbot can build its own plugins. You can tell it, hey, I need a tool that pulls YouTube analytics every week and emails me a summary, and it'll write the code for that tool itself. Then it uses that tool. It's self-improving AI. The more you use it, the better it gets at solving your specific problems. Now, let me show you what the January 2026 update brought. They renamed chat providers to channels. Sounds small, but it makes the whole system cleaner. You can now manage WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, all from one config file. They added vector search for agent memories. Like I mentioned earlier, this makes recalling old conversations instant. Before, the AI would search through text. Now it understands context and meaning. So if you ask, what was that tool we discussed for automating client onboarding, right? It finds it even if you didn't use those exact words. They introduced first-class plugins. The big one is the voice call plugin. You can now call Clawdbot, literally pick up your phone and have a voice conversation. This is perfect for when you're multitasking. You're cooking dinner and you need to add something to your to-do list. Just call Clawdbot and tell it. They also improved config modularity with $include support. This is more technical, but basically it makes setting up and customizing Clawdbot way easier. You can split your config into multiple files and organize everything cleanly. Now, here's something important. If you're serious about using AI to automate your business, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, you'll learn how to save time and automate your workflows with tools like Clawdbot. We've got members using AI to handle customer support, generate content, manage projects, all on autopilot. This is where you'll get the exact strategies to implement these tools in your business. No fluff, just actionable steps. Link in the description. All right, let's talk real use cases, because this is where Clawdbot becomes a game changer. Imagine you run the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to automate member onboarding. You tell Clawdbot, when someone joins, send them a welcome message on Telegram, add them to the member spreadsheet, and schedule a check-in email for 3 days later. Clawdbot sets that up. Now every new member gets a personalized experience without you lifting a finger. Or let's say you need to track competitor content. You tell Clawdbot, check these 5 websites every day and notify me if they publish something new about AI automation. Done. It monitors those sites and alerts you in real time. Or you want to streamline content creation for your community. You say every Monday, pull the top questions from our Discord, draft a blog post answering them, and save it to Google Docs. Clawdbot handles the research, the writing, the saving. You just review and publish. This is the kind of automation that saves you hours every week. Now let's talk setup, because you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. It's not. You need Node.js version 22 or higher. If you don't have that, just download it. Takes 2 minutes, then you run one command: npm install -g Clawdbot at latest. That's it. Then you run Clawdbot onboard --install -daemon. This starts a setup wizard. It walks you through everything: setting up your gateway, connecting your channels, adding your AI models, installing skills. The wizard asks you questions and configures everything automatically. You'll need an API key. Clawdbot works best with Anthropic's Claude, but it also supports OpenAI and local models. If one model fails, it can automatically switch to a backup. Once the wizard is done, you run Clawdbot Doctor. This checks that everything is working. If there's an issue, it tells you exactly what to fix. The whole setup takes maybe 10 minutes. And if you want to access Clawdbot remotely, you use Tailscale. This lets you talk to it from anywhere, so you're traveling and you need to run a task on your home computer. You just message Clawdbot through Tailscale and it handles it. Now let's talk about why Clawdbot is better than the alternatives. ChatGPT doesn't remember your conversations long term. Every chat is isolated. Clawdbot remembers everything. Siri can't access your computer or run tasks in the background. Clawdbot can. Google Assistant doesn't integrate with your tools. Clawdbot connects to Slack, Telegram, your browser, your file system. And here's the kicker: Clawdbot runs locally. Your data stays on your device. You're not sending everything to a cloud server. This is huge for privacy and security, especially if you're handling client data or business information. You control everything. The community around Clawdbot is growing fast. There's a Discord where people share custom skills. There's a subreddit called r/ClaudeCode. There's Claude Hub, which is a registry of plugins you can install. So if someone already built a skill you need, you just download it. No need to code it yourself. And because it's open source, developers are constantly adding new features. This thing is evolving fast. Let me give you one more example. You want to create a morning briefing for the AI Profit Boardroom team. You tell Clawdbot, every morning at 8 a.m., check our Discord for new questions, pull analytics from our website, check our email for urgent messages, and send a summary to Slack. Clawdbot builds that workflow. Now, every morning, your team gets a briefing without anyone having to compile it. That's time saved every single day. Or you want to automate follow-ups with leads. You say, when someone fills out our contact form, send them a welcome email, add them to our CRM, and schedule a follow-up message for 2 days later. Clawdbot does it. No more manual data entry, no more missed follow-ups. Everything runs on autopilot. This is the future of business automation, and it's available right now. You don't need to wait for some big tech company to release it. You can download it today. The GitHub repo has over 4,000 stars. People are calling it the AI assistant Siri should have been. And they're right. This is what personal AI is supposed to look like: proactive, persistent, powerful. If you want to try it, go to claude.bot. The documentation is at docs.claude.bot. Everything you need is there: step-by-step guides, security tips, config examples, and if you get stuck, the community is super helpful. Just ask in Discord. Now, if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Also, don't forget to join the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where we dive deep into automating your entire business with AI. From lead generation to content creation to customer support, we've got the exact playbooks you need. Check it out, link below. Drop a comment below telling me how you'd use Clawdbot in your business. Julian reads every single one. And make sure you subscribe. And if this was helpful, smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video.